The difference between getting a degree and getting a skill set is, for the most part, hands-on. The students that we serve, they want to get in and get out. They'll get theory, but they're going to get probably 60 to 70% hands-on as well, so that they're able to apply that right away. I believe statistics say that you retain 15% of what you hear and 85% of what you do. They get to do it right away. My name is James Ray, and I'm the Director of Admissions at Centura College in Norfolk. So we are currently in the wind turbine lab. The wind turbine, as you may or may not know, is something that's up and coming. We have the only certified wind turbine program in the state of Virginia. And it fits right on along with Governor Northam's game plan for clean energy across the state. What makes our program unique is that they get both the electrical side of the house as well as the mechanical side of the house. That means they are going to get certifications from the electrical side. They're going to know how to construct on the mechanical side so they can do it. Most schools only teach one piece of the puzzle. We have them both encumbered into one. And it's only a 12-month program. There's a lot of demand for it already. We also offer dental assisting. Very important to me because I love my smile. Our dental assisting program is one of the only programs in the area that is CODA certified and DANBY approved. If they graduate from us, then they can work across the country. Their certifications carry on. We also offer medical assistant. That could be that person that when you walk into a doctor's office, that person is checking you in, that person is doing your vitals, that person may be drawing your blood. You're seeing a medical assistant, and we teach that program here. We also offer our medical billing and coding program. There's a demand for it right now, especially with the pandemic going on. A lot of people are interested in working from home. Doctors' offices want to accommodate as much as possible. Guess what? That's one of those programs that you can work from home. We choose the programs based on demand in the area. So we have what you call PAC meetings with community leaders and business leaders, and they kind of guide us based on what they're seeing. So if there's a demand for it, you bet your bottom dollar, we're going to be on top of that bad boy. What's kept me here is just helping with the students, man. We have a phenomenal population of students that actually need our help. We see the value of that person before they actually see it. And we're actually able to help them plot out a game plan that make that success come to fruition. So here's the beautiful thing. Our population, they are finishing this program within a 12-month time frame. And they are very much more so in demand. Trades never stops, and they are the epitome of, they're seeing that hands-on. It's a dire need for them right now because the old folks are retiring and there's not enough people just to replace them right now. I love what I do just because we do get to change people's lives on a daily basis.